You searching for the best BPO job opportunities in 2024? In this video, we'll walk you through some of the top openings across leading companies like Trade Republic, PhoneP, Walmart, and more. Whether you're a fresh graduate, an experienced professional, or someone looking to switch roles, there's something for everyone. We'll cover essential eligibility criteria, salary packages, work modes, and unique benefits like cab allowances and rotational shift. Stay tuned as we break down each role so you can find the perfect fit for your career aspirations. Let's start by understanding what makes these BPO roles stand out in today's job market. Let's dive into the specific roles available. Companies like Trade Republic and PhoneP are hiring customer success associates, while Walmart and Avon are looking for candidates with strong customer support backgrounds. For those with language skills, Roche and Beiersdorf offer specialist roles in French and Korean. Most positions require at least 6 months of relevant experience, excellent communication skills, and a graduate or undergraduate degree. Some roles, like Hotel Engine and Fairplace, value hospitality or back-office experience. Salary packages range from 25,000 to 35,000 CTC, with some international roles offering even higher compensation. Understanding these requirements helps you target the right job for your profile. Now let's talk about work modes and employee benefits. Most BPO jobs are based in Gurugram, with some opportunities in Jaipur and even work-from-home options for select roles. Shifts are typically rotational, ensuring 24/7 support with 5 to 6 working days per week. A standout benefit is the cab facility. Females often get cabs during odd hours, while males receive a daily cab allowance. Assessment rounds usually include HR, operations, and sometimes client or language evaluations. These perks and flexible work arrangements make BPO jobs attractive for many candidates, especially those seeking growth and stability in a dynamic environment. Wrap up, the BPO sector in 2024 offers a wide range of roles for candidates with diverse backgrounds. From customer support to back office and language specialist positions, there's a job for every skill set. Remember to check the eligibility criteria carefully, prepare for multiple assessment rounds, and highlight your communication and technical skills during interviews. Take advantage of the benefits like cab facilities and flexible shift. With the right preparation, you can secure a rewarding position in one of these leading companies. Good luck with your job search, and make sure to stay updated on new openings and requirements.